Well, welcome back, my friends. Today I'm excited to talk about homeowners insurance. Not really. Who wants to talk about homeowners insurance? Really, nobody said that ever. Homeowners insurance may be not exciting, but it's certainly important. Remember, a home is likely to be your biggest investment that you're going to ever make. You don't insure your investment, you're playing with a fire. But unfortunately, a lot of homeowners get pushed back from their insurance companies when they file a claim. So today I'm going to show you how to choose the best insurance company for your Central Ohio home. Okay, so in addition to reading your policy, become acquainted with your coverage and the different coverage levels. Here are 4 questions you'll want to ask before signing on to a specific policy. Okay, do you have multiple deductibles? Lesson learned for me. I learned that myself. One of the policies you might want to find out if there are higher deductibles for things like hurricanes, wind, hail, or other disasters. What isn't covered? Certainly, certain things will be covered under standard homeowners policy. Flood damage, earthquakes are common exclusions. Consider your needs and prepare to be added riders to add to that additional coverage. What's the dwelling coverage per square foot? Did you know that the replacement cost calculators, insurance companies, aren't usually 100% accurate? That means you might not get enough to rebuild your dwelling coverage. So that means it's less than the full replacement cost of your home. You may be able to opt in or opt for a guaranteed replacement cost coverage or extended replacement cost coverage instead. Keep that in mind. What discounts am I eligible for? Insurance companies that offer more than one line of insurance often provide discounts for customers who bundle services. So if you have car insurance, see if that company offers homeowners insurance as well. If you're confused about your coverage options, it's best to talk with your options over with your insurance agent so that if you don't really have one, I'm happy to share some recommendations for you. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. And if you're thinking about making that move to the Central Ohio area, I certainly can help you. I would give you a list of insurance brokers as well in my free buyer's guide. So just DM me if you'd like to get that right over to you. And don't forget, we are always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in Real Estate with Annette Marble and Associates.